Now, let's move to the step 3, making dumpling wrapper. This step probably is the most difficult step for the beginners. I will divide the dough into 3 portions and then start with the first batch. Then I will just knead the dough for a couple of minutes until it feels smooth and elastic. It doesn't need to look very well rounded. Then I just need to make this become like a 2-inch wide, round, long shape. Then you cut the long, round dough into about 12 to 14 small pieces. Drizzling more flours and make sure all the small pieces don't stick together. Then just press each of them like that. Now start working on this to make the dumpling wrapper. Put one in the middle, then use the roller. Once it became a little bigger, then do this. Just hold your roller down on the board. Just use your right hand, keep rolling like this. Then your left hand keep moving the wrapper around. See, just like that. Okay. Like this, get more flour so they won't stick. Okay, that's it. One wrapper. Let me show you how to roll the wrapper in slow motion. So first, just press this, then roll like this. Make it a little bit bigger so hand will be easy to work on. Then leave on the board, hold on your left hand on the edge, your roller on the board. You just press, use your right hand, roll, move. Your left hand just turn the wrapper counterclockwise every roll. Turn counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. Then you can catch on the speed. See that? Get some flour so they won't stick. Then you can just keep rolling and keep turning. You got it? Very easy. How do you think? Please leave your comment down below. If you like my video, please give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. You can just use this technique. Easy, just keep roll like this. 10, 90 degrees. You got one too. So it's basically two ways to do this. This might be the easiest way. Just turn 90 degrees each row. So like this, 10, turn around. Okay, this way your wrapper is basically very even. But actually when we do this way, the center will be thicker than the side, which is better because when you wrap them, this edge will stick together, then they will be equal to the middle thickness. So for this one, this edge will be too thick, but I guess it's okay. It's not that big deal. So either way, whatever you feel comfortable with, you can do this or you can use this technique. Okay.